This thing absolutely sucks. I'm sick and tired of having to turn the wagon upside down just to get all the dirt out of it. It never fails. Every time the kids are in the wagon, there's dirt and crumbs everywhere. You try taking 2 toddlers to a sporting event and see how clean your wagon is. This thing sucks and blows, literally. But seriously, it cleaned it so well. It has 2 different speeds and it's USB chargeable. It comes with 2 HEPA filters, and the dust container has this little thing on the end of it so the dirt will not fall out. It's perfect to keep in your car, or if you want to use it like I am, and for your wagon. It comes with 6 attachments. You can use it to blow up balloons or anything inflatable, or if you just need to blow dirt off of something. You can use it to even dust your keyboard, or even for your air conditioner to blow off dirt. It even comes with an attachment to compress the vacuum storage bags. It's super sleek looking and it's on sale. You can grab yours in the orange cart below. On my end, it's showing almost 40% off, and there's an extra coupon. Definitely grab them before the price goes up.